I'm Aya's actor with PC Mag, and I've got in my hands the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Right away, you can tell the Z Fold 6 is more square than the old one. It's got pretty much the same design, but it's a little wider. So the front screen, for everybody who complains about typing on it, it should be easier, but we'll find out when we review this in full later. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 has some more upgrades than the actual Fold. We're talking about a 50 megapixel camera on the front, which is also the back. You know what I'm talking about because you've got the cover screen. This is your camera for everything, basically. They've actually matched the color of the ring around the camera to the matte finish on the Samsung Z Flip 6. It really is quite a nice design. They went with matte color instead of the shiny colors that were in the past. The crease is kind of hard to see on this one. I will say that's a vast improvement looking on this device. When it comes to the Fold still got that very big crease in the middle, but it's massive. We're talking about a 7.6-inch screen here. It's a slightly different aspect ratio. It's more squared off. I will say, looking at this thing, it's been super bright. We're talking 2,600 nits of brightness on both of these. If you're wondering what's a nit, don't worry about it. It means that you can see this stuff probably in the sunlight, which is really amazing. The Z Flip 6 will start at $1099, and that's a 256 gigabyte version. It'll cost more for the 512. And the Fold 6 will cost $1899.99, and that's right. That's the starting one at 256 gigabytes of space. There's a 512 and a 1 terabyte version that I'm terrified to find the price of. So if you got any questions about the Fold 6 or the Flip 6, let us know. We'll have everything we can at PC Mag. I've been Aya's Akhtar with the Fold 6 and the Flip 6.